Hey, beautiful soul, you are about to transition from overwhelmed to overflowing. Your storyline is changing to one of good fortune, luck, miracles, and joy. Have faith in the unseen, belief in a new reality, and expect to be blessed. Type yes if you agree. You did not do anything wrong, all you did was grow, and they got mad as you grow. You will upset people who have no plan on changing. If you are unable to accept this, your growth will suffer. Everybody won't be cheering for your growth. Grow anyway. Stay true to your path. Type yes if you agree. Love yourself a little extra right now. You are evolving, learning, healing, growing, and discovering yourself all at once. It's about to get magical for you. Type yes if you agree, and also subscribe the channel God's Manifesto 1111. Thank you.